Hello, my dear kids, students, and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of consonant CH and SH words. Okay, dear. Through these words, we may learn how to enrich our vocabulary and how to correct our pronunciation. Okay, let us enjoy this unit. Okay, dear. Now, consonant letter CH. Consonant letter CH. Two letters now are here. And the symbol of CH is, now it is symbol pronounced as sh. So here is now a group of letters or a group of words. Here is a group of words. 10 words I have taken here. So I would like to read and pronounce these words correctly. CH now to be pronounced as ch. CH, and this is your symbol, sound symbol, consonant sound symbol it is. Okay, pronounced as ch. CH, IN, chin, today. CHILD, child, bacha. CHAIR, chair, means kursi. CHEESE, cheese, paneer. CHAT, chat, गपशप करना. रिच, RICH, रिच, धनी संपन्न. BITCH, बिच. बिच मीन्स कुतिया. HITCH, हिच, मीन्स झटका. एंड DITCH, डिच, मीन्स खाई. ओके. WHICH, which, CH, which, and WH here, the W sound here to be pronounced. Okay, H silent, which. Okay, dear, which means kaun sa are joki. So here in these words you find now CH pronounced as cha, right? CH in every letter CH first. Letters are CH, 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 CH to be pronounced as ch. In the here in these words you find last two letters, they are consonant letters, right? CH, CH pronounced as ch. Okay, dear. In these words you have seen CH pronounced as ch. Now, next group of, okay, group of words. Here are two letters, SH. SH, this is now sound symbol. To be pronounced as sh, sh. SH pronounced as sh. It is your sound symbol of SH, sh. So here in these words, first two letters pronounced as sh, SHIP, ship, means jahaj. SHIRT, shirt, kameez, a shirt. SHOP, shop, दुकान या दुकानदारी करना, खरीदना. SHELL, shell, shell means shape, खोपड़े या बमबारी करना. SHEAAP, sheep, भेड़, दब्बू. Here you find SH first, starting with SH. Okay, pronounced as sh. In every letter word you find here starting means words starting with the sh and pronounced as sh. Here are some words you find. In these words you may see sh now has been underlined. Sh, two consonant letters sh pronounced as sh has been underlined. Okay, the last two letters underlined pronounced as sh. dish dish bartan, fish fish मछली, wish wish इच्छा, dash dash टकराना आकर्षित करना, wash 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 धुलना पखारना. Here dear, now you have learnt a lot of about sound of consonant ch and sh words you have seen. Okay, in these words, in this way we may, you or me, myself too, so you may learn, I may learn, everybody can learn, may learn how to enrich vocabulary. These are the glossary, I mean words written here. So we may enrich our vocabulary and we may correct our pronunciation too. Together we may now enrich our vocabulary and correct our pronunciation. Okay dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.